Turning now to the fight against COVID-19, the deadline came and went for state employees, healthcare workers, and educators in Oregon and Washington to get vaccinated against COVID-19, get an approved exemption, or lose their jobs. And we've been checking in with local agencies as well as hospitals and school districts in our area, and the vast majority of people complied with the mandates. In most cases, more than 90%. And today, Governor Brown thanked Oregonians for getting vaccinated.
From healthcare workers to K-12 educators to first responders and state employees, thousands more Oregonians have been vaccinated to protect against COVID-19 over the last several weeks. You have helped to protect some of our most critical workplaces from the disruptions caused by COVID-19.
Still, there are thousands of people who are out of work now because of this. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel joins us live after hearing from a legacy nurse who was fired just yesterday, and also from others who feel that these mandates go too far. Audrey.
Nora, we spoke with Jennifer Brooks, who worked here at Legacy Meridian Park in Tualatin for 6 years and has worked in healthcare for nearly 20 years. Now, even though she is out of the job, she stands by her decision to not get vaccinated.
For me, the decision to remain unvaccinated was a quite easy one.
Jennifer Brooks says after weighing the risks and benefits of the COVID-19 vaccine, she decided she wasn't going to get it and didn't apply for an exemption. So on Monday, the deadline for healthcare workers to be vaccinated, she lost her job as an ICU nurse at Legacy Meridian Park.
I live a healthy lifestyle. I'm young. I have no comorbidities. And given that the injections, all of them were very new, very quickly produced, and like max vaccinated in the public, I didn't feel it was the wisest decision for myself.
Federal regulators have said that extensive testing has shown the 3 vaccines are safe and effective. I asked her, especially as a healthcare worker, why not make this personal sacrifice for the greater good?
My healthcare career started out in the Army. I was a combat medic. So that's not a foreign concept to me. However, there is a difference between being willing to sacrifice personally for something you truly believe in versus selling yourself, selling your integrity and your autonomy in order to meet a demand.
Just a couple miles away from the hospital where she once worked, a small group gathered to show support for people in her situation and stand up against the vaccine mandate. Firefighter Scott Steiner is vaccinated, but says everyone should be able to make that choice for themselves.
That was my choice, and I'm really glad I made that choice. I support the choice. But people that are being forced to do this and having their choice taken away, that's what I'm fighting for, and that's why I'm here.
Brooks says it's a financial hardship and healthcare has been her entire career, but that it's worth it, even though she's not sure what she'll do next.
It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make to stand up for myself and to stand up for all the other nurses and doctors, firefighters, police officers, teachers who do not choose to do this, and they shouldn't be forced.
And many of the people at that rally this evening are part of the groups Free Oregon and Mandate Free Oregon, who've been outspoken on this issue. They filed a motion against Oregon's vaccine mandate last month, but that was denied last week. Reporting live in Tualatin, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.